Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. How are you guys? Hope so you are all doing well in your life and enjoy the best condition of your health. So warmly welcome dear viewers in my channel. Step into the mesmerizing world of nail art with my latest YouTube video. Nailing elegance is your passport to discover the most stylish and breathtaking nail art designs that will elevate your manicure game to new heights. So dear viewers, in this video you can get very amazing and very vast range of the nail art techniques and designs, from intricate floral pattern to the chic geometric designs. So dear viewers, I suggest you to watch my video till end, because today's videos is very unique and very stylish, full of very amazing ideas of the nail art design. So dear viewers, if you are nail art design lover, then this video is especially made for you. So dear viewers, if you are new at my channel, first of all subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share my video to your friends and family member who are nail art lover. So dear friends, embark on a journey through the latest trends in the nail fashion, exploring the vibrant color petals, mesmerizing textures and innovative nail accessories. Whether you are into a minimalistic elegance or the bold eye-catching statements, nailing elegance has the perfect inspiration for every style. So, dear viewers, if we delve into the world of nail art, we also share insights into the creative process, allowing you to understand the artistry behind each designs. From classic French tip to avant-garde masterpiece, nailing elegance celebrates the diversity and creativity within the nail art community. So dear viewers, join me for a visual feast of the colors, creativity and craftsmanship. By the end of this video, you will be able to know about the inspirations to express your personal styles through the stunning nail art designs. So don't miss out on the opportunity to turn your nails into a canvas of the self-expression. So dear friends, hit the play now and let the beauty of the nailing elegance inspire your next nail art masterpiece by my video and by my channel. Beauty is joy forever. So dear viewers, keep watching, stay blessed, and thanks for watching and sharing my video, and also comment me, because your comments are very valuable for me. By commenting, you show your love for me. Thanks for watching.